So this weekend I was buying the things at the big box hardware store, and I've stumbled upon these blocks. I thought they were pretty ingenious. I've seen them before. At first I thought they were kind of dumb, but now that I know I can use them, they're smart and they make things a lot easier for me. These were like $3.50 a piece, I think, and they have 4 sides. They fit a 2x6, I guess is what you would call it, and not a 2x4. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna put this bed together with. So let's do this. All right, kids, this is way too big. I am going to take one of these pieces and cut it in half. That way I still have a walkway through here and I can get the lawnmower through there, because I'm going to have to be able to get to whatever I'm planting in there. That's way too big for this space. Look at that. Never mind, I switched it. We're changing it up. I'm still going to be able to walk through here. Still going to be able to get a mower on the sides. This one might be tight. I might have to scooch it a little bit over, but you get the gist. We're going right there. All right, let's fill it up, Buttercup. So this is the only soil I have right now. And guess what? I'm going to use it to fill that bed. And it's going to be just fine. I promise. All right. This Pro Mix that I'm using expands when you add water to it. So we're going to add some water. We're going to see where we're at. Hopefully I've still got some left to work with in my buckets and that. But if I have to add more, I'll add more and just mix it up. So let's do that next. So that's it. We have a raised bed full of soil. May not be my first choice for soil in a raised bed, but I'm going to tell you what. I'm going to end up fertilizing it again, and it's going to do fine. And then I'll regenerate it for next year or next season, whatever, if I use it for the fall, and it'll be just fine. And these blocks are so cheap, and this wood is so cheap. You can double up with these. You can make them on a hill, like double up on one side. There's so many configurations that you can do. And it's just using cheap blocks and the 2x4, 2x4x6, maybe? I don't know. It's 6 inches wide. So that's what I'm going to tell you. 2 inches thick and 6 inches wide. And then the length is whatever you want it to be. So, yeah, I think we got it. Anyway, let's finish this up. I need to put some tomatoes in here, and they're going to die if I don't do something soon. So I'm putting those in now. Let's go. That's it. That's it. I have 3 tomato plants left, and you know what? They're probably just going to get thrown out in the fence line, and if they grow, they grow. Let the critters eat them and keep the critters out of my garden. So that's it. Now, guess what I have to do? Finish watering the rest of this garden, put all my junk away. I'm going to go make some dinner, and thanks for hanging out. One easy way to put together a quick raised bed for cheap. Half of the materials I already had laying around the house, just had to cut them to size. If you don't have the means of cutting things to size, ask them to do it at the store. They'll do it. When you buy the 10-foot long or whatever foot long piece of wood you need, measure out how much you need, have them cut it in the store. You can shove it in your back seat. So, oh, and FYI, I will be refilling this the rest of the way tomorrow. I just have to get more soil. That's no big deal. I'll do that and it'll be done. Here you go, everyone. Have a great day or night, whatever it is that you are watching this. And everybody be safe. I will catch you on the next one.